Reading Pioneers is proud to present There's a Crocodile in Our Pickle Jar. Written by R.T. Knapp. Illustrated by Guy Hobbs. Your brother ate everything on his plate, Alex. Why don't you be a good boy and eat your dinner? His dad asked. But I'm not hungry, Alex said. I guess you don't want any sweets then. Alex's mom brought over the most mouth-watering, tasty-looking dessert you ever did see. Okay, who wants a piece of chocolate cake? Alex blurted out. Me! You just said you're not hungry, Alex. I am now! Good. Then you're ready for your peas and carrots, his mom said. But Alex wasn't hungry for vegetables. His father excused him from the table. Brush your teeth and go to bed, young man. Yes, Daddy. Alex stood as his brother pretended to be flying an airplane with a spoon. Watching the cake land in his brother's mouth made Alex run out of the room. Being sent to bed without dessert was tough, but being teased by his brother really took the cake. Later that night, Alex's empty stomach roared like an angry lion. He felt weak. Alex could hardly wait to sneak a piece of cake. But inside the refrigerator, he saw a crocodile swimming in a jar of pickles instead. The crocodile looked mean and ready to attack. Alex slammed the door and cried out, "Help me! Please help me!" Alex's cry for help woke his family. What's going on? His dad asked. Alex, why are you up at this time of night? Daddy, there's a crocodile in our pickle jar. There's a what? Alex's mom asked. I saw it. It's in there, Alex said. There's a crocodile in our pickle jar. Please get it out of here. Alex's dad took a huge bite out of the crocodile. Wow, this isn't sweet. When did we get dill pickles? What's going on? Alex said. Where's the crocodile? I saw it move. It showed me its teeth. Even after being told that his hunger had probably caused his confusion, Alex still wasn't convinced. The next evening, Alex's mom reminded everyone there was plenty of leftover cake. But Alex wasn't interested. He was too stuffed. 3 helpings of broccoli will do that. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book There's a Crocodile in Our Pickle Jar by R.T. Knapp. I love the twist ending and the illustrations by Guy Hobbs that perfectly depict the theme and tone of the story. You can support Artie by purchasing a copy of this book on Amazon by clicking the link in the description box, as well as visiting his website, which has more information about him and Guy's other fantastic children's books. I am very thankful for this opportunity to read R.T. Knapp's newest book with you today. I've had the pleasure of reading a couple of his and Guy Hobbs' other stories on this channel, which are provided in the playlist link below. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with future read alouds coming soon. I also created an Etsy store where you can buy some Reading Pioneers merch like this puzzle and this cool Have an Amazing Day mug featuring our mascot, RP, the red panda. All you have to do is visit Reading Pioneers on Etsy. Unfortunately, this is it for the video. While waiting for the next story, remember to purchase a copy of There's a Crocodile in Our Pickle Jar today on Amazon to support Artie and Guy and their incredible work. Thanks again, readers, for joining us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.